Good morning everybody. Now next problem is, we are going to the next problem is, let there is a function f from natural number to natural number be the defined by, there is a condition function is f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and n by 2 if n is even. For all n belongs to be n, it means that, so to take every number is belongs to be a natural number. So to take every number is belongs to be a natural number, state there is a given function is whether it is possible to tells about bijective or not. Bijective, it means that it satisfies both 1 1 and on 2. Okay, now before we going to that one, check that one. So how to check that one? We know that, so by the practically. Okay, now so first one, in the solution part what they are given, write that one once again. There is a function given that mapping from f from n to n. There is a mapping from, there is a function from n to n, and once again what they are given condition is, condition, it means function f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 and ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು n plus 1 by 2 ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ, if suppose n is odd, whenever it is right n is odd. So and next n by 2 when it is right if n is even, okay now. So by practically we have to take two sets, this is considered as a set and this is considered as a b set. A is also natural number, b is also natural number. It means we will consider this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now I will take a condition f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 here, and next one f of n is equal to n by 2. So here in the placement of n only we always fill the odd numbers. Here in the placement of n we should fill the always odd number. Here in the placement of n we should fill the even number. F of n is equal to n by 2 condition is when we have to take this one condition, whenever we have to took there is a even numbers in the placement of n, and again in the placement of n we should fill the values in hagadra which numbers you should fill that one odd numbers only. Okay, now so now check that one, it means that odd number, check 1 f of 1, what happened this one, 1 plus 1 is 2, divide by 2, 2 cancel 1. Okay, now 1 is directly connected with 1, what is the result, 1 is a domain, 1 is a codomain. So in the placement of n it means that domain, our outer result is called as an codomain. Okay, now so 1 is domain, our outer result is codomain. Okay, 1 pull up ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ 1 ಬಂತು. Okay, now 1 is directly connected with 1. Next, in the placement of here n we should fill the value of even numbers. There are already given the conditions f of n is equal to n by 2, whenever we will take that one value, so there is a always you took there is a n is even numbers. Okay, now f of n is equal to, now you took that is a value of 2, what happened, 2 by 2, what happened, 2 get cancelled 1, what happened this one, 2 is directly connected with 1. So here it is possible to say it is 1 1 functions, not, because of there are two elements have single image, it's called, it's not a 1 1, it's a many one. Okay, now give the reasoning and write that one. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, so two elements in set B have two elements in set A have, so single image, so that's why single image, so it is 1 1, so it is, sorry 1 1 Allah, so it is many one, Okay, now next we will check that one onto functions. How to check that one onto functions? How to check that one? onto functions. Just you have to check that one. Onto functions ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? There is another method is to check, that is a value of to checking the onto functions. Another method, very simple method is there. So which one? That one we have to observe that one. If you supposed to fill the 3 value in the placement of n, what happen? 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, what happen this one? 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 2, it means 4 by 2 andre 2 ಆತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 is directly connected with 2. In the placement of n, if you fill the value of 4, what happen? 4 by 2, it means 2, andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ connection ಆತು. Again in the placement of odd number, fill 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. In the placement of even numbers, fill 6, 6 is directly connected with 3. Okay na, next you have to check that one. 6 aata, okay, next 7 fill up madri. In the placement of odd number, what happens? 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4, 7 is also directly connected with 4. 8 fill up madri. In the placement of even ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 by 2 is 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so if you concentrate on the set A, it is directly we call it as a many one, because of more than one elements have single image, that's called as it is a many one. Now many one anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And next one onto, how to check that one? Onto, if suppose they are given this type of the 2 conditions, ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? So onto, it means that what is onto? First you have to try to understood that is a definitions about onto functions. What is onto functions? Every element in set B has, it has must and should be its free image is there in the set A. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್, ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್. And what are the ranges? Ranges ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Range, it means that number of elements in set B which are the images of set A under the function f ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲೋ? ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ಗಳು? ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ದರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ಗಳಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ದರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ನಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ? ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ? ಆನ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರದ್ನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. If suppose whenever we are going to solve this type of the functions on the basement of injective, surjective, if you didn't have that much of time to solving that is all the quotients onto functions to justify the onto functions, directly if you write this type, it is also correct. You get also one marks for this one onto functions. So range is equal to codomain. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Range, it means that number of elements present in set B, which are images of set A. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ದರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ದರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾವು 1 ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರ ಇದು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು, ಇದನ್ನ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ, 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ, 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? 6 is not a connecting. Now we have to check that one, students. 6 is not a connecting. If you define this one, range Now it is not a define this one range because of 6 is doesn't connected to a set element. 6 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ. That's why it is not called as an it is not called as an ಏನಂತ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, 6 7 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. 6 7 ಅನ್ನ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6 and 7 ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. 6 and 7 ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅವುಗಳು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ರೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಗಳು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೆದ್ವಿ, 6 and 7 ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಹೊರತು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. If suppose range is equal to codomain, range is equal to codomain, ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? What is the meaning of this one? Codomain, it means that set B elements, set B elements, number of elements which are present in set B, those are all the elements are ranges. Range is equal to codomain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Number of elements which are present in codomain, it means number of elements present in set B, those are all pre-images with the set A elements. Those are all free images with the set A elements ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿದಾವೋ, ಫ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದಾವು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಾದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೋಡ್ ಆಂಟು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಂಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ರೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೇಂಜಸ್. ರೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದಾವ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾವು. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಆಂಟು ಅನ್ನ. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಆನಿಮಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್, ಎನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್, there is no time for solving and giving the reason for practically. Directly if you write, if it is possible to onto, directly it will write this type, it is also okay. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯೋ ಸಾಕು. ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಂಟು. ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಂಟು. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಟು ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ರೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದಾವು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದಾವು, ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಫ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದಾವು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? number of elements present in set B which are ಏನಾಗಿದಾವ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ which are images of set A. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿದಾವು, ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಗಳಾಗಿದಾವು. ಯಾವುದರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಗಳಾಗಿದಾವು? ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ದರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಗಳಾಗಿದಾವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೆದ್ವಿ? ಸೊ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ವಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ 7 ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್. 7 + 1 is ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 7 + 1 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 4 ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ 7 8 9 10 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 9 + 1 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? 9. ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್, ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 10 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 10 by 2 is 5. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ? ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, set B elements, number of elements which are present in set B must and should be a contact with the set A elements, that is called onto. So give the reason for this one. Range is equal to codomain. It means that number of elements which are present in set B, those are all number of elements which are present in set B are codomain. Those are all images of set A. That's why we call as on this type. And so F is onto, directly we called. So F is onto. It's finished. Ishta mugid sir. So hagadra, so it is not a many one. So it is not a bijective. You give the reason for this one. F is not bijective because of it is not a one. F is not a bijective. Okay now. next one, you go to the next one. Problem is this one is also very simple questions. So second one question is, so let f from a is equal to real numbers except 3 value, and b is equal to real numbers except 1. Consider the function. Consider the function. Consider the function f from a to b defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2, x minus 3. Is f is 1 1 on 2? Is 1 1 on 2? 1 1 and on 2. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. F of x is equal to x minus 2, x minus 3. So nodri hagadra, let a is equal to r minus 3. It means that real numbers except number 3. So except number 3, and b is equal to r minus 1. Consider the function f from a to b defined by f of x is equal to condition is x minus 2 and x minus 3. Is a f is 1 1 on 2? Is a f is 1 1 on 2? They are asking that is it is possible to say about this one function is 1 1 on 2? Justify your answer. Okay, now so first one we should take solution part. What is this one? Write that one, first one given conditions. What is this? Function from a to b, and condition is f of x is equal to x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay, so consider, practically we will consider there is a 2 sets. Consider 2 sets. Here it is a a set, here it is a b set. A set is consider real numbers except 3 value. It means that I will consider minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, but not to consider 3. Not to consider 3. So next 4, 5, 6. Here also b is an also set is contain the real number except 1. Except 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, but not contain a 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now so now we have to check that one. If you are going to satisfy the 1 1 condition, first you have to check practically. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, foot x is equal to minus 2. what happen? X is equal to minus 2 fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2 minus 4 minus 5 minus cancel. What is remaining? 4 by 5 is remaining. Minus 2 is directly contact with 4 by 5. It is set B is a real number set. It will contain the 4 by 5 also. Okay, now real number, it means that except a complex number, it must and should be contains the all the numbers. There is a fractional numbers, there is a decimal numbers also, except only some complex numbers. Okay, now so minus 2 is contact with 4 by 5. If suppose we will check that one, f of minus 1, what happen? Minus 1 fill up madre enagutta, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, minus cancel atandra, it means 3 by 4. Minus 1 is contact with 3 by 4. It is possible, it is not a given the complex number, it directly give the 3 by 4. Okay, now next one we will check that one, f of 0 fill up madre enato, f of 0, it means 0 minus 2, and this one 0 minus 3 It means 2 by 3 0 connection ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 by 3 it is also connective. If suppose we will try that one f of 1 ನ try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. It means minus minus cancel, it is 1 by 2. 1 is contact with 1 by 2. Yes, it is possible. Check that one f of 2. F of 2 what happen? 2 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಯ್ತು. 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 0 ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. It is possible. It means that each and every elements must have images are there. Okay na? Each and every elements must have images are there. It means that 1 1. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. We should show that is by the theoretically. ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, theoretically ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ theoretically ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ. What happen this one theoretically? For all x1 x2 belongs to be that is a first set, that is a first set A, and next one we will write in the placement of x, I keep the x1 what happen, x1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 3, and in the placement of x we should keep x2 what happen, x2 minus 2 and x2 minus 3. So to make both are equal, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What happen this one, x1 minus 2 x1 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 x2 minus 3. Okay, next our theoretical procedure of the 1 2 what happen that one, what is there, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2, and that condition we will call it is an 1 1. Okay, we are going to showing x1 is equal to x2. How to showing this one, we should make cross multiply each other. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, cross multiplication ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, x1 minus 2 and x2 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 and x1 minus 3. So multiplied each other, what happen, x1 into x2 x1 x2, x1 into minus 3 x1 it means minus 3 x1, minus into plus minus 2 x2, minus into minus plus 6, 2 into 3 6. Next one, x1 x2 into x1 is x1 x2, x2 into 3 is minus 3 x2, and minus into plus minus 2 into x1 is minus 2 x1, minus into minus plus 6. Next, if suppose it is goes to that side, it must be a cancel, x1 x2. Here it is also plus 6 it is also cancel. Next, what happen, what are the x1s are there to make a collect one side, what are the x2 are there to make collect other side. What happen, here it is a 3x1 is there, here this one RHS side 2x1 is there, this one can be shifted into LHS side. What happen, this one plus of 2x1 is equal to, here it is a minus 3x2 is there, minus 2x2, and this one minus 2x2 can be shifted into the RHS side. What happen, 2x2, this is 2x2, minus 3x1 plus 2x1 is means minus x1, minus 3x2 plus 2x2 it means that minus x2, minus minus cancels, what it implies, x1 is equal to s2, that is f is 1 1, f is 1 2, it means that f is 1 1. Okay, next we are going to prove that one onto functions. How it will show that onto function, similarly this one ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ onto ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ onto f of x is equal to, what is this one, f of x is equal to x minus 2 x minus 3 is there. So f of x it means that y x minus 2 x minus 3. So what you have to concentrate, what you have to do here only, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವೀಗ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. So our procedure is in that onto functions, our procedure is we always keep x alonely in the placement of RHS side and remaining all the elements are keep in LHS side. Okay na, x ಒಂದೇ ಉಳಿಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. We have always keep concentrate on the x is alonely present in the RHS side, there is a remaining elements are shifted into the RHS side. But here there are x2 are there. There are x2 are there. Now there is a difficulty is there for shifting the values. Now we are going to showing that one. How to showing this one? How to solve this one to make x is alone present in the RHS side. Which first one we shift this one x minus 3 into LHS side. What happen? Y of x minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Okay, now we should multiply y into inner side. What happen? Y into x is xy, y into 3 is 3y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, now if suppose minus 2 is directly shifted into the LHS side, if it is finished, it is not a finished our procedure, because of again a LHS side x is there. So until and unless x can be only remain in the RHS side, it is not a finished. ಹೌದಾ? x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಬೇಕು? ಅದು RHS ಕಡೆ ಉಳಿಬೇಕು. ನೀವು LHS ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು x ಇಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟೋಟಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, so this one x, what is this one? Here is another x is there. This one x also can be shifted into LHS side. This one x is also can be shifted into LHS side, and this one 3y is there. This one 3y is shifted into RHS side. ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, RHS ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? what happen? This one x y, this plus x if it is shifted into LHS side, what happen? minus x is equal to minus 3y is, if suppose it is shifted into RHS side, what happen? 3y. Next one, as it is keep constant, it is minus 2, and in between these two values what is common? X is a common. Y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 2, and x of this one y minus 1 can be shifted into the RHS side. What happen? X is equal to 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. Our x value is 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. Now we check that one it is possible to say it is onto or not. Okay, now first one fill y equal to, what happen? Foot y is equal to minus 2. What happen? This one minus 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 2, and minus 2 minus 1 minus 8 divided by minus 3, it means that 8 by 3. Okay, now minus 2, if supposed to keep a minus 2 in the placement y, it directly connected with the 8 by 3. It means that 2 point something value. Okay, if suppose y is equal to minus 1, fill that one. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 5, minus 2. It means 5 by 2. Minus 1 is directly connect with 5 by 2. Okay, now is it possible to connect with 5 by 2? Right, it is because of this one A set is x after one number, that is only 3 number. X after 3, it is, these are all the values are connected. X after 3, what is the reason for this one? They are given 3. If you suppose to fill in the placement of x, what happen? This one 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Anything divided by 0 is infinity, undefined. If you come to that one, b is r minus 1. R minus 1, real number except 1. What is the reason for tell about this one except 1? If you possible to fill y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. If suppose we keep 1 also, what happen? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Anything divided by 0, it is undefined. Okay, now there is a total procedure is at that time, if you possible to, if you take that is a 1 also in this set, it is total procedure is wrong. Okay, now if suppose to take a 3 is in the placement of set A, it is also total procedure is that one number only make a wrong. Okay, now that's why we accept those numbers 3 and 1. So we should take each and every number must and should be a so contact with the elements. If you possible, so you have to make 0. 0 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 0 -2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 0 ಆಯ್ತು -2 ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು 0 ಆಯ್ತು -1 2 by 1 is 2 0 is connected with 2 okay na so next you have to check that one 2 check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ what of one this one 3 into 2 is 6 -2 next one 2 minus 1 is 4 by 1 it is 4 it is 2 is directly contact with 4 it means that each and every element is contact with the set A elements is it possible to say onto 100% it is possible to say it is an onto give that one reason for or otherwise if it is not remembering that one reason how to give the reason for every y belongs to n so just we write this type only range is equal to codomain range is equal to codomain so f is onto okay na if you are not remembering that is a reason how to write that is a reason for every y belongs to y okay na that is also correct for every y belongs to a which one set b set it means that b set there exist what exists this one we should write this one x is equal to 3y minus 2 y minus 1 belongs to be a set a so f is onto idanadru baride illa andra if you write both are it is good it is better okay na if you are not remembering this one just it is remembering this one this type only it is also okay okay na so don't worry about these two conditions if you write these two conditions also it is better okay na if is onto and satisfied 1 1 and onto is satisfied okay f is bijective okay it's good next one problem is next one problem is next one problem is let f from n to n be defined by f of x is equal to x plus 1 sorry this one x plus 1 if x is even x is odd x minus 1 show that f is bijection show that f is bijection it is an show that it is an bijection show that remember student it is a totally different questions as you previously solved questions it is totally different questions okay now so okay I will tell you how to solve this one check that bijection hang check madabekanu nodona hagadra first one what they are given solution for what they are given there is a function mapping from natural number to natural number aiti and next one what they are given f of x is equal to x plus 1 and yavagide x plus 1 yavagide when it is to take x is even and x minus 1 when it is possible to take if x is odd okay now if x is odd okay now here according to theoretically only we can prove this one according to the theoretically only prove this one so there are it contains three conditions for a 1 1 three conditions for 1 1 what I found this one to check that one 1 1 to check that one even iddaga satisfy agutta nodona ಈವನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ and f of x2 are even whenever there is a f of x1 and f of x2 are even. It means that we should take this one condition. What is the condition? Even condition is x plus 1 condition. In the placement of x we should keep x1 plus 1 and in the placement of x2, so f of x is equal to x plus 1. It means that in the placement of x we should keep the x2. Okay na? So to take that one, x2 plus 1. Now 1 get cancels, x1 is equal to x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2 andra in this case it is possible to say 1 1. Okay, next one, first one case are mugithidu. Case 1, first one is finished. Next one, case 2. Case 2. So again we will take, that is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. In these conditions f of x1 and f of x2 are both are ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, x1 and x2 both are odd. It means that in the placement of x we should keep x1. It means x1 minus 1. In the placement of x keep x2. What happen? x2 minus 1. This one minus 1 cancel. What's remaining? x1 is equal to x2. It means this condition also 2 tells that it is a 1 1. Next one, case 3, we should check that one. Case 3, it's check that one. One we should take a even and another one you should take a odd. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು odd ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು even ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. f of x1, f of x2. So f of x1 and so f of x1 is even and f of x2 is odd. f of x1 is even and f of x2 is odd. ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, even ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು r ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, even ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, x plus 1 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, x1 plus 1. odd ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x2. It means that in the placement of x you should keep the x2 minus 1. It is possible to make a cancel, not possible because of minus 1 is shifted into LHS side, it is again converted into plus 1. It is plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, x1 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, 1 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 1 plus 1 is equal to x2 plus x1 is shifted into RHS side. What happened? This one x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x2 minus x1 is equal to 2. x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ even number, x2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ odd number. Difference between the even and odd number is possible to 2. Difference between the even number and odd number is possible to 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ even number odd number is 2 ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಐತಾ? 3 and 4. 3 is an odd number and 4 is an even number. ಇವುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? 1 ಐತಿ. If it is possible to take a 2, not possible. x2 minus x1 is equal to 2. x2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? odd number. x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ even number. If suppose there is a possible to difference between those two numbers is equal to 2, ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಐತಾ? ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. always equal to 1 or and ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 ತಗೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. 2 and 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಮತ್ತು 5 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. It is not possible to tell 2. That's why accept this condition f is 1 1. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವು, ಬಿಫೋರ್ 2 cases it satisfied, we will tell directly. So it is a 1 1 satisfaction. Okay na? Next one we go to the onto functions. It is possible to satisfy onto functions. Just how to check that one practically ನೋಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. onto what happen this one, first you should write f of x is equal to x plus 1. ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x is even, f of x is equal to x minus 1, x is odd. Okay na? check that one and consider natural number set. What happen next? Natural number, this is A, this is B, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Even number, it means that you fill that is a x is equal to even number, it means that to take a 2 number, 2 fill up madri, what happen? 2 is connected with, sorry, before we going to take that one, it is a onto functions. Onto functions, it means that so to must and should be obtain x in terms of y, x in terms of y, it means that f of x is considered y is equal to x plus 1, 1 can be shifted into LHS side, it is remains x is equal to y minus 1. So next one, f of x is equal to x minus 1, y is equal to x minus 1, it means that minus can be shifted, y plus 1 is equal to x, it means x is equal to y plus 1. Now we check that one, fill even numbers, fill even numbers, it means that y is even numbers, what happen? Y is even numbers, it means that even number is 2, what happen? X is equal to 2 minus 1 is 3, x is equal to 3, it means sorry, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 is directly contact with 1. If suppose I will take 1, here I will take a 1, what happen? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 is contact with 2. Next one, fill up madri, y is equal to 4, even number fill up madri enagutta, x is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 4 ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಜೊತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತು y is equal to odd number fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 number fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, x is equal to what happen? Y is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 is connected with, sorry, x is equal to here y plus 1, it means that y plus 1 is 3, 4, 3 is connected with 4. And next one, what happen? Y is equal to 6 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 6 minus 1 is 5, 6 ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 5 ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. y is equal to 5 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? 5 plus 1 is 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಏನಾಯಿತು? 6 ಆಯಿತು. So if you going to continue for this type, it is each and every element in set B has contact with the set A elements. It means that range is equal to codomain. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ f is onto functions, it's very simple, it is very sufficient, okay na. So f is onto range is equal to, so if you continue this type, each and every element in set B must and should be contact with the set A elements, that's why we called as an it is onto functions, okay na. Next one, we go to the on small problem. Show 1 function function f from 1 2 3 1 2 3 must be a onto, must be a onto. Already this one given function is 1 is there, but you must and should be show that onto functions. How to showing this one? To take the given function is 1 1. How to take two sets? This is A and this is B. 1 2 3 1 2 3. 1 is connected with 1, 2 is connected with 2, 3 is connected with 3. Okay na. Each and every elements in set A has connected with the set B elements, that's why it is called as 1 1. Onto ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Onto it means that what is the definition about onto? Every element in set B has its free images in set A, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದಾವು? ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದಾವು, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, every elements every elements in set B have their free images. Their free images. Every elements in set B have their free images in set A. So F is onto. F is onto. It's finished. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಎ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, ಆನ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ.